Germany doesn't make tools, Germany engineers them. There's a difference, and once you hold one of these in your hand, you'll feel it immediately. From a clamp that bends the laws of physics to a wrench that fits in your coin pocket but grips like a vice, these 11 new German hand tools are genuinely worth your money. Number 11, Wera 838 RAM Screwdriver Ratchet. You know that feeling when you're driving a screw, and you've almost got it, but every quarter turn requires lifting your wrist, repositioning, and going again. It sounds minor. Do it for 4 hours straight on an electrical panel, and your forearm will tell a different story. The Wera 838 RAM is built to kill that frustration. It looks like a standard screwdriver, but hiding inside that handle is a 36-tooth ratchet mechanism so fine you can barely hear it click. The chuck design lets you spin the barrel between your thumb and forefinger, driving screws at speed like a fidget spinner. Then the moment you need torque, you switch to full ratchet mode without changing your grip. Wrap adapter chuck means bits lock in under a second. Compact enough for a shirt pocket, so it actually travels with you instead of sitting in the van. Number 10, Hazet SmartHolder 2300 SH1. Think about the last time you needed just one quick bolt on a bike ride, at a trade show, or somewhere you absolutely did not have your toolbox. You either improvised badly or did without. The Hazet SmartHolder fixes that. Packed into a smartphone-sized case is a full 1/4 mini ratchet and a complete set of Torx, hex, and Phillips bits organized in a folding book format that opens cleanly and closes without bits rattling loose. Hazet has been making precision tools since 1868, and the ratchet's action proves it. This is a legitimate high-torque driver, not a toy. For bikers, backpack mechanics, or field technicians, nothing else comes close in size. Number 9, Knipex Cobra ES. Standard pliers are big. That's fine in the open. But the moment you're deep inside an engine bay or wedged into a plumbing manifold, the bulk of a normal tool becomes your worst enemy. You end up scratching everything around the fitting and barely moving what you're trying to turn. Knipex took their legendary Cobra, arguably the most copied pliers design in the world, and put it on a diet. The ES has a deliberately thinned down head and neck that reaches into spaces the standard model can't. It still has the 19-step fine adjustment and self-locking teeth that made the original famous. If you already own a standard Cobra, the ES isn't a replacement, it's a companion. One for the bench, one for the tight spots. Number 8, Bessey Easy 360 one-handed clamp. You're gluing a cabinet rail to a wall. One hand holds the rail flat, the other is working a clamp, but there's a beam directly where the handle needs to swing. You're stuck. Most people give up on clamping it properly or call someone in to help. The Bessey Easy 360 is the only clamp that handles this situation cleanly. The handle physically rotates 360 degrees around the rail, positioning it pointing any direction and still operate the trigger one-handed. That's 140 kilograms of clamping force accessible from angles no other clamp can reach. It sounds minor until a beam is in your way. Then it's the only tool you want. Number 7, Hazet Impact Bit Screwdriver Set 2272/23N. Some screws don't want to come out. Rusted in, painted over, abused by whoever touched them last, these are the screws that strip under a cordless drill and make you want to throw the whole project out. Every experienced mechanic has been there. The Hazet 2272/23N works on a principle that feels almost counterintuitive. You strike it with a hammer, and the internal mechanism converts the downward blow into a simultaneous high torque rotation up to 80 Newton meters, while seating the bit deeper into the head at the same time. That's why it beats a cordless impact driver on seized fasteners. The bit physically can't come out. 23 bits covering Phillips, slotted, hex, and Torx, all shock-rated, in a proper Hazet blue metal case. This is the tool you reach for when everything else has already failed. Number 6, Wiha PocketMax Magnetic Multi-Tool. Multi-bit drivers have a reputation problem. Most are chunky, unbalanced, and rattle like a tin can, which defeats the point of carrying a premium everyday tool. So most people just pick one bit and live with the limitations. Wiha fixed this with the PocketMax. From the outside, it looks and feels like a quality fixed blade screwdriver, solid grip, right balance, and no clunking. But the handle is secretly a magazine holding 8 bits, accessed through a slick pop-out mechanism with a magnetic holder that grabs each one cleanly. The kind of tool you carry every day without noticing until you need it Torx in a pinch, and you've already got it. Wiha has been engineering screwdrivers in Germany for over 80 years, and this feels like the result of all that accumulated obsession. Number 5. Wera 6006 Joker. Adjustable wrenches are frustrating by design. Find the nut, open the wrench, try to fit it, adjust, try again, it slips, you skin a knuckle. For a tool that's supposed to simplify things, the traditional adjustable creates a lot of extra work. The Wera 6006 Joker makes the thumbwheel obsolete. Slide it onto a nut, and parallel jaws automatically lock on. That's it. A 30-degree return angle handles tight quarters, and the non-slip lever mechanism means the jaws won't back off under load. Here's the kicker, it works on both metric and imperial fasteners simultaneously, so you stop carrying two spanner sets for mixed jobs. The name Joker isn't random. It's the wild card in your tool belt, the one that handles whatever comes up. Number 4, Wiha BiCut Compound Cutters 32636. You need to cut hardened steel wire on a job, and all you have are standard side cutters. You know what happens. Nicked blades, sore hands, maybe the job doesn't get done at all. Bolt cutters would work, but nobody carries bolt cutters everywhere. The Wiha BiCut has a power button that engages a compound lever mechanism, multiplying your cutting force by 200%. Normal mode handles copper, aluminum, and standard wire cleanly with induction-hardened blades. Hit the button, and suddenly you're slicing through 3mm hardened steel with the same effort as cutting cable ties. The blades are hardened differently along their length to handle both materials without dulling. Not a gimmick, a genuine replacement for carrying two separate cutters. Number 3, Knipex Pliers Wrench XS8604-100. Nobody expects a 100mm tool to be taken seriously in a professional workshop. That's exactly what makes the Knipex Pliers Wrench XS so satisfying. It fits in your actual coin pocket, not a tool pouch, your pocket, yet the cam action jaw design delivers a 10-to-1 mechanical lever ratio. The grip force it generates on a nut is wildly disproportionate to its size, with parallel jaws that won't round off edges the way standard pliers will. Electricians, cyclists, and motorcycle mechanics have made this an everyday carry since Knipex released it. It's the full-size pliers wrench philosophy, one of the most respected tools in European workshops, compressed into something you forget is there until the moment you need it. Number 2, Bessey BEYCEPS One-Handed Lifting Tool BEY23. Hanging a heavy fire door solo. Leveling a kitchen island without a second pair of hands. Positioning a steel frame to within a millimeter while simultaneously trying to fasten it. These are the jobs that either wait for a colleague or go slightly wrong because you ran out of hands. The Bessey BEYCEPS is a mechanical third hand. The pump action handle lifts up to 180 kilograms and holds it there while your actual hands do the fastening. Two separate levers handle fine-tune lowering for precision placement and instant release when you're done. It's not a jack you set up and walk away from, it's a handheld device you operate while working. For solo tradespeople, jobs that once needed two people and two schedules can now be done alone, accurately, without improvising. Number 1, Knipex EvoStrip 1240-200. Wire stripping sounds trivial, right? Up until you're doing it thousands of times across a full electrical installation. At that point, conductor damage and constant manual adjustments between cable sizes stop being minor inconveniences and start costing real time and money. The Knipex EvoStrip handles the full range of 0.03 to 10.0 mm superscript 2 automatically, with no manual gauge setting between cable sizes. It self-adjusts. A fine adjustment dial handles stubborn insulation types, and an integrated high-visibility cable cutter means you're not reaching for a second tool mid-workflow. Most importantly, it doesn't nick the conductor. At any speed, across that entire range. Knipex also redesigned the handle ergonomics from older models to better span, a more natural grip, built for all-day use without fatigue. For professional electricians, this is the tool on this list that pays for itself the fastest.